Hi everyone, my name is Adrian and I am the Regional Sales Manager for Hatco. My main role in Hatco basically is to educate our customers on the effect and the benefits of food holding and what we can actually do. Hatco has been around since 1950, and over the years, we have actually built a reputation as the most reliable and durable food holding solutions provider in the market. Many have attempted to imitate our products. Unfortunately, they have never been able to meet the quality and standard that we in Hatco have. Food holding is not about just keeping the food in a hot box or a hot environment. The main objective of food holding is three things. Number one, time. Two, temperature. Three, quality. What that means is that we want to hold the food for an extended period of time at the right temperature without compromising the quality. If you look at the market today, Hatco is the only company that have consistently delivered consistent temperature for the food without compromising food quality. The reason why food quality is important is because if you do not hold the food in a suitable environment, there is a high risk of getting food poisoning, which in turn affects the business. Another reason which strikes very close to all our hearts today is food holding does not only provide you a platform to keep your food at the right temperature and the right quality. Think about this. Everybody is complaining about labor costs, rental costs, utility, and other overheads. If you look at the business entirely, the only solution ahead for a customer is to adopt food holding technology. So what food holding technology can actually provide to you, it's very simple. Think about this. If you have the proper food holding equipment, you are allowed to prepare your food ahead of time, and in Hatco system, we are able to maintain the temperature and the quality for you and ready to serve whenever is needed. So assuming right now, if a customer orders a chicken chop in a standard restaurant, it will take up to probably 12 minutes to prepare, which means the customer receives the food in about 15 minutes. On the other hand, if the kitchen now is able to prepare the chicken chop, put it in a warmer, way ahead of time, and when the order comes in, all the chef needs to do is to put it on a plate with the relevant sauces and serve it out to the customer within 3 minutes. So how does that benefit a restaurant? That increases the turnover, it increases your quality, your consistency. Which means also, customers can now, or I would say restaurants can now, hire lesser manpower to deliver food at a very efficient pace, as compared to during peak hours for lunch or dinner, where customers generally have to wait up to 45 minutes to an hour. So food holding comes in, it will solve all these problems instantly. Many hotels have been using Hatco for years. So what we want to focus on right now is to bring the same technology and the knowledge to the restaurants. Restaurants right now are facing the most difficult challenge. As I mentioned earlier, rental, labor, and food costs are going up. So who are the type of customers that would need Hatco immediately? Number one, if you are a emerging brand, which means currently you have probably 1 or 2 outlets, you are now very successful and looking to expand into more outlets, this is where Hatco can come in to assist you. We are able to allow you to expand, achieve the consistency without any operational issues. The last thing that any restaurant would want is to have 10 outlets and each outlet having 2 or 3 problems. When that happens, the restaurant owner or the chef or the operations team are nothing but what I call a firefighter. You are running around the store every day, solving problems and not managing. So, restaurants who are emerging will definitely need Hatco. The next customer group in restaurants that we're hoping to reach out to are the local brands. Think about this. There are so many companies out there who are selling Asian food, local food, let's say mee goreng, char-kway-teow, fried chicken. These companies have been looking for ways and means to have their product prepared in advance so that they can meet the demand during the peak hours. Many have tried, many have failed, but there are also some companies have started using Hatco and they have seen the benefit. We are now able to provide the same solution to all the restaurants in the market. Hatco is not what we call a premium brand. We are a brand that I am 100% confident that everybody can afford. And this brand itself will guarantee you immediate ROI. There will be no additional cost incurred to you. In fact, it will provide you additional profit instantly. My message to restaurant owners in FHM: if you are looking for solutions to increase the efficiency, productivity, and consistency of your operations, feel free to drop by F&B Equipment. I am 100% confident that we have the right solutions for you, and by adopting Hatco, we will make sure that you have the best support and best service locally from F&B Equipment.